Kaden, show mommy where the bath is. Where's your bathtub?
Hello,
Who's that? Daddy? Are you gonna take a bath? Maybe? Yeah. Okay. Oh, whoa. Kaden, show me where your bathtub is. Are you ready for a bath? Do you keep forgetting your ADD's kicking in? Shaking her head all the way. Come on, let's go take a bath. Show me where your bathtub is. Ooh, it's dark in there. Is that where it is? Do you want to take a bath? Can you say yes, please? Can you say please? That's no, silly. Yes? Okay.